ladies. Hi, Chance. This is Cindy, and I am so mad at myself because I made a great, well, I don't know how great it is, but I made a video on my POW bracelet. And then I worked at the Palm Springs Air Museum today, and I thought I'm going to take pictures of the POW bracelet display and give you the pictures of everything that I was talking about in the video. But I forgot to take my cell phone to the Palm Springs Air Museum today. So I was so mad at myself. So that's going to have to wait for a few more days. But in the meantime, I thought I'm going to do a get unready with me. So I'm going to start with this little earring because I always get asked about this earring. I've got this. This is just, it's not, obviously it's not a diamond. It's too, I wish, right? But then this is just a little sleeve. And it really is kind of a pain in the neck. But I'm going to put it on. You put this part in your ear, like so. And then you put your backing on it. And then you twist it, you let it climb up your ear like this. And then there's a little clamp that you clamp around, let's see here, around the top of your ear. This. And you pinch it. But the problem is it doesn't really stay, but it stays long enough for me to do a video. Okay, to start with, I do my hair, and then I'm going to undo my hair so you can see how I'm using my extensions. I'm going to take you over to my hair area, and we're going to talk about hair. Now, I have really not fixed my hair other than with my fingers, but I'm going to show you how I've got my extensions in and how I do this. So I basically have 3 extensions in, one on this side for length. I'm going to take that out. Here it is. And I have the same thing on this side. I have it right, well, you can see my gray, but I have it right above my ear. I have to have a little bit of hair, my own hair underneath, so I have something to clip it on. And these are the same length. And I have curled them with my curling iron. Okay, now, I have another one back here. This is the big one. I'm going to unclip it. Pull it out. That's my hair without it. This is my hair without my extensions. You can see it's not as long. It's not as full. And then this is my giant extension. This weft was $50. I bought this by itself from Irresistible Me. So, okay. Now, actually, I have another weft on top of that one because if I don't do that, my own hair falls too high up. And I want my hair to be like right here. Okay, now I'm gonna put them back in, and you're gonna see the difference. I always start with the back. I pull my sides forward. Let's see here. Gotta get my, you don't want to clip. See all this. You don't want to clip that down. That's your real hair. You want your own hair as much as you can get it. Okay. Let's see if I can, yeah, okay. Now, back here, I've curled my hair down here. And so right about the top of my ear. Now, if I wanted my hair really long, I could put this weft lower. But this is about where I want it. So I just snap it in. And I bring this down. And that's the back. Then for the sides, so you can see how this is longer. And for the sides, I take about right here. Because see, this is the hair it will clip onto. And I just snap it, booyah. And the same with this side. I've curled this. Then I take this out. And I snap this in. I want to make sure you guys can see. So it's just snapped right in there. And voila. And then I would play around with my hair a little bit to make it a little more styled. But not too much. You can't brush it too much because you don't want to pull out the extensions. And you want to keep I want to keep as much curl in my hair as I can. So that's my Get Unready with me. And I hope you enjoyed my extension tutorial, because basically 3 sets of extension. 1 weft in the back, 1 here, 1 here. Gives me length and it gives me some volume. So anyway, that's it, you guys. This is Cindy saying until our next conversation. Bye-bye.